Alright, so we're all sitting here for 10 minutes now. We're hearing thunder and lightning right above us. And you're not supposed to be around trees when there's lightning. So we're kind of fucked.
Yeah.
That is kind of nice.
Is that regular water? Drop it on my head.
What?
Abby, Dave, Amy,
Look at where we
Mike,
are, man. Do you really think a tornado could
Derek,
hurt you?
Jason,
Sorry.
Chris.
I personally.
Oh,
Yeah,
four.
all these trees falling down on top of us, yeah.
Yeah, baby, you hear that?
And that is thunder.
Hear it? Yeah.
It was nice.
Yeah, it's real
It's
nice.
still nice. I mean,
It doesn't rain too much. It's alright.
it's coming down out here. It's raining. What do you think?
I think we're fucked. We're not gonna get out of here near close to dark.
Blair Witch is gonna attack us in Turkey Run.
Shut the fuck up, dude.
How you doing? Oh fuck. That is thunder. Amy looks a little upset. We got Big J here. We'll be all right. Are you pissing? What the fuck you doing?
Hey, there's a nice little cold waterfall right here. Oh, this shit feels good, dude. Take a shower in this shit.
What you doing out in the rain? Hello. Look, man, we're hanging out in this cave. Did you get that? Yeah. You got that?
Tape?
Oh yeah. It's crazy. Another one coming. Oh, here it comes.
Thanks.
This is just like Vietnam, dude, like the jungle and shit.
Okay.
Oh yeah, going right. Are you going? It's coming down. We gotta stay here for a little while.
Nah, man, let's keep trucking.
Let's get on.
Oh my god.
Bro, this shit gets worse, man.
It's gonna get fucking loud. Oh! This is crazy. We're in trouble.
Oh my fucking god.
Oh, we gotta sit here for a little while, dude.
Fuck that, let's go, come on.
Oh, dude, it's bad right now, dude.
Alright, let's go. You guys can stay.
It's not safe, is what I'm saying right now. They're fucking stupid for jumping in the water when it's lightning like this.
Dare me to swim across this shit?
Oh! Jesus Christ.
Tornado shit! Dude, we need to get the fuck out of here! Get the fuck out of here!
Get to a shelter, dude.
Dude,
Seriously.
get to a fucking shelter!
What's the matter?
The aftermath.
Yeah, pretty bad, huh? This garden, everything's all wet?
It's soaked, man.
Yeah, crazy.
Fucking
Everything's
Twister.